Om. 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 कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषं गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भोध रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसी जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीद् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपतामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मङ्गलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनुजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलं सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। Angada was told by Lakshmana, with all his anger, he did not express that to young boy Angada, knowing very well that he is not a person to be angry with. It's only his own uncle, that is Sugriva. So go and tell your uncle that Lakshmana has arrived at the gate, not telling him exactly the reason. They only told him that just inform him that I have come, and go and also tell him, if you would like, please do what he expects you to do. Tasya vakyam yadi ruchihi kriyatam sadhu vanara. Iti uktva shrigramaagacha vatsa vakyam arindama. With this saying, this statement, you come back quickly and report to me. This is what Lakshmana tells Angada. So Angada, on the other hand, is terrified by this very appearance of Lakshmana. But however, he carried the message. Lakshmanasya vacha shrutva
Lakshmanasya vacha shrutva
shoka vishtangado bravit
shoka vishtongado bravit
samipamagamya
pitu samipamagamya
Saumitrirayamagataha
saumitrirayamagataha
Adankadastasya sugriva vacha Sutivra Adangadastasya sutivra vacha
athangadastasya sutivra vacha
Samprantama bhavaha paridina vaktraha
Sambhranta bhavaha paridina vaktraha
Nirgatya purvam nrupate starasvi
Nirgatya purvam nripate starasvi
Tatoru mayas charanau bhavante
Tatorumayash charanau vavande
Sangrihya pado pitu ugrateja
Sangrihya padau piturugrateja
Jagraha matuhu punareva padau
Jagraha matuhu punareva padau
Pado nrumayascha nipidayitva
Padau rumayashcha nipidayitva
Nivedayamasa tatastadartam
Nivedayamasa tatastadartham
Angataha abravīd Lakshmanasya vajashrutva shokavishtaha Angataha. Arriving of Lakshmana, Angata has already assumed, because it is not usual that person like Lakshmana, who is a prince of another country, coming to the doors of Sugriva, who is not a great, he is not ruling a great kingdom like that of Ayodhya. And to such a place, if Lakshmana comes to the door and stands there and requests help, requests an audience, requesting an audience is something which Angada did not expect, and he knew what has happened to his father and how it all turned out. So even though Lakshmana did not tell in detail about what needs to be done, he realized that his uncle has failed from his duty. So therefore, Pituhu Samipam Agamya. Pituhu here should be understood as uncle. Saumitri Ayamagataha. And he reported about the arrival of Lakshmana Abravit. And Ata Angadasya Sutivra Vacha Sambranda Bhavaha Paridipta Vaktraha. So while Sugriva heard about this, that Lakshmana has arrived, he's still under the influence of the intoxication, Sambranda Bhavaha, kind of still in the delirious condition. And Nirgatya Purvam Nripate Tarasvi. And also he had see, when you are under intoxication is one thing. Secondly, you are indulging in the senses is another one. Third, it is also, he realized, Sugriva has realized, if Lakshmana has arrived, there must be something serious. But he is where? He is in the Antapura and surrounded by not ministers, surrounded by the women, surrounded by all the luxuries. So here he is not that easily able to understand with the purpose for which Angada has, or why Angada is so agitated about this. And he looked at Angada, but Angada proceeded to his mother. Tato Rumayas Charano Vabadde. He went to look at his mother first. So here it is in this Nripatehe Nirgatya Tarasvi. Tarasvi. And from him he moved, and the strong Angada. And here Sangrihya Pado Piduhu Ugrateja. He held on to the father's feet as well as his mother. Jagraha Madhu Punareva Pado. Again, he held on to mother's feet. Pado Rumayascha Nipida Yitva. Slowly pressing the feet of the mother. See, that is always the case with the children, no? When things cannot be accomplished with the father, he can only go to the mother. Mummy, daddy doesn't listen to me, doesn't listen to, or doesn't want to do. Can you please tell him? So even though he is Tarasvi, as he says, strong and quick in his movement, Taras is to move fast. So he is no doubt a person of his own strength and valor. But he went to his mother and slowly pressing. Nivedayamasa. He started to submit. Tatas tadartam, for that particular sake. So he had, even though the first line had talked about he reaching the father, but the second line also it says Nirgatya. That needs to be understood. It is it's a usual method of second time repeating. He said Samipya Saumitriam Piduhu Samipya Agamya Samipamagamya. But again he says Nirgatya. Purvam Nirgatya. He is now having moved away or stayed away from Lakshmana. He quick-footed, as it is so fastly, he proceeded towards his mother. So, Sutivra Vacha Sambramda Baba. Angada, whose mind was perplexed by the words of Lakshmana. First of all, he went to Sugriva, but he did not find any response from him. So proceeding him further to the father, he reports, Sanidra Klantasam Sanidra Klantasambito
Sanidra Klanta Samvito
Vanaro na Vibuddhavan
Vanaro na Vibuddhavan
Babhuva Vadamattacha
Babhuva Madamattascha
Mattascha, correct. Madanena cha mohitaha
Madanena cha mohitaha
Tadakila kilam chakruhu
Tatah kila kilam chakruhu
Lakshmanam prekshavanaraha
Lakshmanam prekshavanaraha
Prasadayantastam kruddam
Prasadayantastam kruddham
Ayamohita chetasaha
Bhayamohita chetasaha
Te mahoga nibam drishtva
Te mahau ghanibham drishtva
Vajra shani samasvanam
Vajrashani samasvanam
Simhanadam samam chakruhu
Simhanadam samam chakruhu
Lakshmanasya samipataha
Lakshmanasya samipataha
Tena shabdena mahata
Tena shabdena mahata
Pratyubudhyata vanaraha
Pratyabudhyata vanaraha
Madavihvalatam raksho
Madavihvalatam raksho
Yakulas Vyakulasтрag-vibhushanah.
Vyakulasтрag-vibhushanah.
When he went to his father, who is Nidra Aklantah, Samvitah, Nidra Aklanta. Aklanta means he is fatigued, basically. It's a shrama. Nidra, some people are tired out of sleep also. You are tired and therefore sleeping is one thing. Tired out of sleep also is there. Sleeping and then sleeping and then sleeping, they're tired of that. But even why he was continuing to sleep? Because of the intoxication that he has got. Madamattascha. His mind has been so overly, spiritual, out of the high amount of spirit that he has taken to himself. Madanena madamattascha. Mohitaha. Na vibuddhavan babuva. He is not fully awake. Overcome by the intoxication, sensuousness. So, Vanaraha Lakshmanam Prekshya Kilakilam Tadaha Chakruhu. While the Vanaras looking at the Lakshmana, they started to make a big sound. These monkeys are making big sound there. Prasadayantam Kruddam. They went around him, jumping probably to Kruddam Prasadayantaha. The angry Lakshmana trying to appease him. Bayamohita Chetasaha. These Vanaraha, those who are with their mind already a fear, they try to overcome that by doing those things. Te maha auga nibham drishtva vajra ashani vajrashani samaha swanam. So of course the presence of Lakshmana is not that easy to even fathom, to look at it. So looking at them, they drishtva, seeing them, and the Lakshmanasya samipadaha simhanadam samam chakruhu. They also made sound like that of a simha. Simhanadam chakruhu. Who? That those monkeys. But he is Vajra Ashana Samatswanam. They also made the sound like that of Vajra Ashani. Vajra Ashani means the clouds that are of resembling the sound of the cloud that is resembling the movement of Vajra, of the Indra's Ayudham. And that kind of a sound, and there is a lightning that is hitting the clouds, that sound, which is also equal to that of the Simhanad, which is equal to the sound and cry of the lion there. So, Tena Shabdena Mahata, by that make big sound that has been made by the monkeys, Pratyubhadyata, again he woke up, Sugriva, Vanaraha. Mada Vihvala Tamrakshaha, because of the intoxication or the liquor that he has drunk, afflicted by that Vihvala Tamra Akshaha, with the red eyes, red short eyes. Vyagulaha Sragvibhushana, agitated Sragvibhushana, wearing garlands, etc. As a king he was. And so he slowly, he woke up from that very intoxicated situation. And you see Lakshmana standing there and watching all these things is only making Lakshmana also angry. Looking at angry Lakshmana, the monkeys also making noise. This continuously went on and on and on. That is what woke him up. Like Kumbhakarna, to wake him up is also not very easy. In the you know, in the influence of liquor, it's very hard for one to come to senses. So here, adangavachas shrutva
अथाङ्गदवचः श्रुत्वा
yenaiva cha samagato
तेनैव च समागतौ
mantrino vanarendrasya
मन्त्रिणौ वानरेन्द्रस्य
sammadau daradarshino.
सम्मत्तोदारदर्शनौ.
Not sammatta. Is it written sammatta?
No, Swamiji. Sammato.
Sammatau or sammato?
Sammato.
Sammato, is it?
Aha. Sammatodara-darshanau.
Sammato, not sammatau, correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Because there are two versions, that's why I asked that question. Okay. Plavaschaiva prabhavascha.
Plakshashchaiva prabhavascha.
Plakshashchaiva prabhavascha.
Plakshashchaiva prabhavascha.
Mantrina varta dharmayoho.
Mantrina vartha dharmayoho.
Vaktumuchavacham praptam.
Vaktumuchavacham praptam.
Lakshmanam tau sashamsatuhu.
Lakshmanam tau shashamsatuhu.
Prasadayitva sugrivam.
Prasadayitva sugrivam.
Vachanai sardhanishchayaihi.
Vachanai sarthanishchitaihi.
Asinam paryupasino.
Asinam paryupasinau.
Yata shakram marutpatim.
Yatha shakram marutpatim.
Satyasandau mahabhagau.
Satyasandhau mahabhagau.
Pratarau rama lakshmanau.
Bhratarau Rama Lakshmanau.
Manushya bhavam sampraptau.
Manushya bhavam sampraptau.
Rajyarhau rajyatainau.
Rajyarhau rajyadainau.
Ayoreko dhanushpanihi.
Tayoreko dhanushpanihi.
Dvari tishtati lakshmanaha.
Dvari tishtati Lakshmanaha.
Yasya bhita pravepanto.
Yasya bhita pravepanto.
Nadan munjanti vanaraha.
Nadan munchanti vanaraha.
Tenaiva samagato mantrinau. Vanarendrasya mantrinau. Of Sugriva's two important ministers, Plaksha and Prabhava, their names. These two, Mantrino Artha Dharmayoho, Vaktum Uchchavacham Praptam Lakshmanam Tau Sashamsatuhu. They are capable of understanding what is the good and bad, high and low, Uchcha Avacha. Uchchavacham Vaktum. About what? Artha Dharmayoho. About Artha, the wealth, and Dharma, the justice, or the action, legal action, or lawful action behind that. What is right to be done and how the wealth needs to be procured and maintained by the king. These are all they know. But they were, where do they have to meet Sugriva there? Sammatau, if you take that word Sammatau, Daradarshino Sammatau, which means since Sugriva is in the Antapura, nobody else can enter. Not everybody is allowed to enter. So these two of them are given special permission, and Daradarshino means they are allowed to enter into the chambers of the queen, women, Dara, meaning many wives are there, so to allow to see them. And that way, one meaning can be taken, Sammatau Daradarshino. Daradarshana Sammatau, that is basically allowed to see them. But if you take Sammato, then in that case, it becomes Sammata Udaradarshino. And both of them had, by very look, they are very noble-minded. Udara Darshan means one who can be seen as a noble person. So Udara Darshino, and they were at the presence of Sugriva, and they are very well known for their nobility about and their advice regarding Artha and Dharma. So that is why there are two different. This is what is taken by this in Gita Press, were of noble appearance, who did respectfully by the side of. So Lakshmanam, they stood next to them, next to him, prasadayitva Sugrivam vachanehi, by making Sugriva get little more pleased by their own words, artha nischitaihi, with words that are of appropriate nature, vachanehi artha nischitaihi, asinam paryupasinah, they were seated next to asinam, the Sugrivam, obviously, sitting next to the Sugriva, who is seated there. Yada Shakram Marutpatim. Yada Sugrivam Asinam Shakram Marutpatim Iva. And the same way as Indra, who is called Marutpati, is the lord of the Maruts. And like the way the Sugriva, Shakra, the Indra would sit in his own throne. So now Sugriva is sitting and they were sitting next to him. In this way, they were ready to advise him. And they said, if Lakshmana has come, there is a definite reason for it. Because Satyasandau, Mahabhago, Prataro, Rama Lakshmano, Manushyapavam Samprapto, Rajyarho, Rajyadayino. These are all adjectives to the brothers. They are of true nature, Satyasandau. They are maintaining truth, promise. Mahabhago, great men of learning. Brataro, brothers. Rama Lakshmano, Rama and Lakshmana. Manushyapavam Samprapto. They have assumed that even though it looks like they are devatas, but they have obtained the human form. Rajya Arho, worthy of serving as kings, worthy of ruling the kingdom, but also indirectly they are saying they gave you the kingdom also. Rajyadayino, they have given you the very kingdom that you are now enjoying. Tayoho, among them, both of them, Ekaha, one, Tanushpani, with his bow in his hand, Dwari Tishtati Lakshmana. Lakshmana, he is standing outside your gates. And because you woke up with a start, you woke up with some kind of a, sudden sound that is come from the Vanaras. Vanaran yasya bhitaha pravepantaha, because of fear of whom they trembled. Pravepantaha vanaraha munchanti nadan. They are just sending out a great cry. That is what you heard, Sugriva. And that's why you woke up. So they slowly make him come to the senses there. Sayesha Raghava Brata.
Saesha Raghava Bhrata.
Lakshmano Vakya Sarathihi.
Lakshmano Vakya Sarathihi.
Vyavasaya Ratha Praptaha.
Vyavasaya Ratha Praptaha.
Tasya Ramasya Shasanat.
Tasya Ramasya Shasanat.
Ayam Chatanayo Rajan.
Ayam Chatanayo Rajan.
Taraya Dayito Gadaha.
Taraya Dayito Gadaha.
Lakshmanena Sakasham Te.
Lakshmanena Sakasham Te.
Preshitastvarayanaga.
Preshitastvarayanaga.
Toyam Rosha Paritaksho.
Soyam Rosha Paritaksho.
Dwari Tishtati Viryavan.
द्वारि तिष्ठति वीर्यवान्
वानरान् वानरपते
वानरान् वानरपते
चक्षुषा निर्दहन्निव
चक्षुषा निर्दहन्निव
तस्य मूर्ध्ना प्रणामं त्वं
तस्य मूर्ध्ना प्रणामं त्वं
सपुत्रः सह बान्धवः
सपुत्रः सह बान्धवः
गच्छ शीघ्रं महाराज
गच्छ शीघ्रं महाराज
रोषो ह्युद्योपशम्यता रोषो ह्युद्योपशम्यताम्
रोषो ह्यद्योपशाम्यताम्
यथा हि रामो धर्मात्मा
यथा हि रामो धर्मात्मा
तत्कुरुष्व समाहितः
तत्कुरुष्व समाहितः
राजन्स्तिष्ठस्व समये
राजन्स्तिष्ठस्व समये
स्वसमये
स्वसमये
राजन्स्तिष्ठस्व समये
राजन्स्तिष्ठस्व समये
भव सत्य प्रतिश्रवः
भव सत्यप्रतिश्रवः
तिष्ठस्व तिष्ठस्व. Okay. So here that very Lakshmana, sa yesha Lakshmanaha Vakyasaratihi is a very interesting word that he has used. Vyavasaya Rataha. So he is the using the chariot of Rama's words, and he is the Sarathi of that. Is the charioteer of the chariot of words of Rama, carrying that message. Vyavasaya Rataha Vakya Saratihi. Here Praptaha, he has come. Tasya Ramasya Shasanat. Due to the command of Rama, he has arrived here to convey that message to you. Hey Rajan, Ayam cha Taraya Tanayaha Angataha Lakshmanena te preshitaha. Sakasham te sakasham preshitaha. That very Lakshmana, the Lakshmanena, by the Lakshmana himself, Ayam Taraya Tanayaha, Tara's son, very kindly, your own, the very Lakshmana has sent Angada, who is most beloved of yours. Dayitaha Angataha. Daya is the word, root word. Dayitaha means one who is subject to kindness. Dayitaha Lakshmanena te sakasham preshitaha tvaraya, quickly. Hey Anaga, O sinless one. So, Viryavan Rosha Parita Akshaha Dwari Tishtati Ayam Lakshmana. This Lakshmana is still waiting for your word and waiting there with the red shot eyes. And that is what is reported by Angada. Therefore, it is very clear. See, so one thing is to convey the message. The second thing is to also observe the nature of the messenger and understand the information is something very, very critical. In that cannot be a messenger should not only give the message, but the situation or the characteristics of the person who is sending the message also. He's not closed his eyes and Lakshmana said this, I do not know how he appeared. No, he knew that Lakshmana is angry. So that is also conveyed. So, Rosha Paridakshaha Dwari Tishtati Viryavan Vanaran Vanarapade Chakshusha Nirdahanniva. Lakshmana is so angry that as if he is going to burn all the monkeys by even just a look of them. Look at them. The Chakshusha Nirdahanniva Vanarapate, oh Vanaran, he is ready to burn all of them even by the look of them. Look at them. So first thing you do is go and do pranam. Tam pranamam. Pranamam kurushva. Sabandavaha Saputraha along with your son, meaning Angada, and Bandavaha, all your relatives. Tasya Murdna Pranamam Tvam Saputra Sabandavaha. Gaccha Shigram. Go quickly. Hey Maharaja. Rosho hi adya upashamyatam. Today itself, you go and don't wait. Don't wait for anything else. I don't think Lakshmana will wait further. Today itself, you go and appease him. Yatahi Ramo Dharmatma Tatkurusha Samahita. Whatever Rama wants, which Lakshmana will tell you, at once you complete that. Tatkurusha Samahita. Dharmatma Samahitaha Tatkurusha. Rajan Swasamaye Tishta. Here, Samaya should be given as an agreement, an obligation. Swasamaye, in your own agreement on obligation, you abide. Bhava Satya Pradeshravaha. You also stand by your promise. True to your promise. True to your Satya Pradeshravaha. Pradeshrava is promise. Satya Pradeshravaha. You true to your promise. True to and stand by your obligation and do what needs to be done as per what Rama wants, because he had fulfilled his part of the deal. Now you have not completed that. That is being reminded by Lakshmana very clearly here, and so don't delay. Therefore, this chapter comes to an end here. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adi Kavye Kishkinda Kante Ekatrimsha Sargah. Angadasya vacha shrutva.
Angadasya vacha shrutva.
Sugrivasya chivaisaha.
Sugrivasya chivaisaha.
Lakshmanam kupitam shrutva.
Lakshmanam kupitam shrutva.
Mumocha sanamatmavan.
Mumocha sanamatmavan.
Sachatana bravid vakyam.
Sachatana bravid vakyam.
Nishchitya guru lagavam.
Nishchitya guru laghavam.
Mantrajnan mantrakushalo.
Mantrajnan mantrakushalo.
Mantreshu parinishtitaha.
Mantreshu parinishthitaha.
Name durvyahrutam kinchit.
Name durvyahrutam kinchit.
Napi me duranushtitam.
Napi me duranushtitam.
Lakshmano Raghava Bhrata.
Lakshmano Raghava Bhrata.
Krittakim iti chintaye.
Krittakim iti chintaye.
Asuhrudbhihi mama mitraihi.
Asuhridbhihi mama mitraihi.
Nityamantaradarshibhihi.
Nityamantaradarshibhihi.
Mama doshana sambodhan.
Mama doshana sambhutan.
Shravito Raghavanujah.
Shravito Raghavanujah.
Tratavat yata buddhihi.
Atra tavat yatha buddhihi.
Sarvaireva yata vidhi.
Sarvaireva yatha vidhi.
Bhavasya nischyastavat.
Bhavasya nischyastavat.
Vigneyo nipunam shanaihi.
Vigneyo nipunam shanaihi.
Nakalvasti mama traso.
Na khalvasti mama traso.
Lakshmanannapi Raghavat.
Lakshmanannapi Raghavat.
Mitratvasthana kupitam.
Mitram swasthana kupitam.
Jagat janayatyeva sambramam.
Janayatyeva sambramam.
Sarvata sukaram mitram.
Sarvatha sukaram mitram.
Dushkaram pratipalanam.
Dushkaram pratipalanam.
Anityatvattu chittanam.
Anityatvattu chittanam.
Pritiralpepi vidyate.
Pritiralpepi bhidyate.
Ato nimittam trastoham.
Ato nimittam trastoham.
Ramena tu mahatmana.
रामेण तु महात्मना
यन्ममोपकृतं शक्यं
यन्ममोपकृतं शक्यं
प्रतिकर्तुं न तन्मया.
प्रतिकर्तुं न तन्मया.
Coming out of the intoxicated mood, Angadasya vaja shrutva Sugrivaha sachivaihi saha Lakshmanam kupitam shrutva, understanding that Lakshmana has very angry, learning from Angada and as well as from his ministers, Mocha, he slowly came out. Asanam Atmavan, he slowly came out of his bed. Even though all said and done, Sugriva is not as bad as Vali, so to say, who has wrongly acquired the kingdom, etc. He's a man of his own stature, Atmavan. Tan abravid vakyam, Guru Lagavam Nischitya. He addressed them after hearing all of them. See, this is the nature of a king. He cannot come to a conclusion suddenly. He will have to hear like a judge. He has to hear slowly from all of them, and then only he will take a decision. Mandrajnan tan, Mandrakushalaha Sugrivaha, Mandrajnan tan, those people who are also knowers of mantra here means counseling. So those people who are counselors, listening to them, but he also knows what needs to be done. Mantreshu parinishtitaha. So he, the one who is very well established in his own understanding of correct judgment or correct decision. So he very clearly says that I have not done anything wrong so far. Na me durvyahrutam. I have never spoken anything wrong. Kinchit. Na api me dur anushtitam. I have not done anything wrong so far towards Rama. Lakshmanaha Raghava brata kritaha kim iti chintaye. I'm still wondering, since I have not spoken anything wrong to them or I have not done anything wrong to them, I wonder why Lakshmana should be angry. The reason why Lakshmana is angry, I am not able to get it until now. Because there are two possibilities. If somebody is unnecessarily angry towards, let us say, when somebody very angrily behaves towards us, when we know that we have not done anything consciously wrong to that person or said anything, the possibility number one is that that person is wrongly informed about me by somebody who doesn't like me. Asuhrud bihi, those people who are not thinking about my welfare. Mama amitraihi, by my enemies. Nityam antaradarshibhihi, those who are looking for how to create holes. Antaradarshi means one who is looking for loopholes. We say that look for the loopholes in the law. Antaradarsha, antara means holes. Antaradarshibihi, those who are looking for to destabilize me from my kingdom. Mama doshan asambhutan, my own faults, ready to pick up that one. Asambhutan doshan, which I have never done, imagined faults only, it is not my own real faults. Asambhutan doshan, tan, those things, Ragavanujaha Shravitaha. Shravana is to listen, Shravanam is to make you listen. Shravitaha Ragavanujaha is being told. Lakshmana is being told by them, Amitraihi, Asakritbihi, about things that I have not done, and those things are being informed to him. Therefore, it looks like Lakshmana had come here with a great anger. So, Atra tavat yata buddhihi sarvaireva yata vidhi bhavasya nischayastavad vigneyo nipunam shanaihi. This is a very interesting thing. He is informing, saying that what is going on in the mind of Lakshmana, we need to understand. Atra tavat yata buddhihi sarvaireva. All of you should think about yata vidhi yata buddhihi. As per your own understanding, yada buddhihi, and yata vidhi, as is what is going on in the mind of Lakshmana, I should know. That is why they are called counselors or ministers. Ministers are not just going by the book, but going by their own wisdom also. It's more like experience than mere theoretical knowledge. So, bhavasya tavat vigneyaha, nipunam vigneya, very clearly, very minutely, you must be able to find out what? Bhavasya nischaya, determining his state of mind. Tavat shanehi, slowly, carefully, you should find out. I am not afraid of Lakshmana or Rama, really speaking. Here Sugriva says, Nakalu mama Lakshmanat nabi Raghava trasaha asti. There is no fear from Lakshmana or Rama. For sure, I do not have any fear about them. See, mitram tu asthana kupitam janayati eva sambramam. Sambramam janayati. It is a matter of concern for me, definitely. It definitely is a matter of something which is to be thought about. What? Mitram tu asthana kupitam. Sthana means appropriate. Asthana kupitam. Inappropriately, if a friend of yours is unhappy, it is a matter something to be seriously considered. The misgiving as such. And easy to make friends, difficult to maintain it. Sarvada sukaram mitram. To make a friend is easy, but dushkaram paripalanam. This applies to marriage also. Marrying is easy, maintenance is difficult. Building a house is easy. Maybe it has some difficulty also, but nowadays, somebody else builds. Nobody builds on their own, getting it built. But then maintenance. Starting a project is easy, and maintaining the project and completing it. Any relationship, to start is easy, but to continue to have the cordial relationship with objects or people or anything, it's so difficult. Anityatvat. Why I am saying this is Chittanam anityatvat. When two people are involved, two people are thinking. And our thinking is so fickle. Is it not true? Most of the time, our thinking is not cohesive. What I think today, the same way I don't think tomorrow. What I thought yesterday, it is not the same way I think about the situation today. Every moment, our mind is constantly changing about opinions, about judgments regarding various things. So, anityatvat chittanam alpe api pritihi vidyate. Especially with the friends, even small little things can break the friendship. As you go closer and closer to anybody, you become more sensitive about their feelings and emotions and thoughts and everything. The closer the friendship, higher are the possibilities of even breaking out of even simple, frivolous things. If I do not know a person and they say, hi, how are you? And I do not worry about what he's thinking, how he behaves, what he's feeling about me, and etc. I don't care. When the relationship is very close, every moment, every thought, every behavior, every action, when I'm your friend, and when I walked into the room, you didn't even smile. If a stranger doesn't smile, would you worry? When somebody whom you do not know or somebody whom you see once in a while, that person doesn't acknowledge your presence or smile, you don't care. It doesn't matter, he may be busy something else. But your own dear friend or your own wife, your own husband, your own son, your own daughter. My own daughter does not smile at me. My own son is not even noticing my presence. He's not acknowledging what I did. So there is great sensitivity comes. So, alpe abhi vidyate pritihi. I personally do not know what I did to Lakshmana Rama. I do not know. Ado nimittam trastaha aham ramena tu mahatmana. Therefore, I am really concerned about. Due to this reason, I am otherwise not afraid. But this reason that even I might have, or he might have expected something which I have not completed, even maybe very little thing, that might have caused this friction. Therefore, I am afraid. Ataha ato nimittam aham trastaha ramena mahatmana. Yen mama upakrutam vashakyam pratikartum na tanmaya. So, what Rama had done to me, yen mama upakrutam shakyam, and I cannot really repay him in the same way. Obviously not. Maya na pratikartum shakyam. What he has given to me is great. My kingdom, my people, my wife, my security. Obviously, that is something great that he has done. In the same way, am I capable of giving him? No. But then the mantris who are around him said, yes, we understand that. But the point here is that have you stood by what you are supposed to do, not to the same extent which he has done to you, but whatever extent you are expected to do? Did you complete that? Sugrivenaiva mukte tu.
Sugrivenaiva mukte tu.
Hanuman haripungavaha.
Hanuman haripungavaha.
Uvachasvena tarkena.
Uvachasvena tarkena.
Madhye vanaramantrinaam.
Madhye vanaramantrinaam.
Sarvata netadascharya.
Sarvatha naitadascharya.
Yatvam hariganeshwara.
Yatvam hariganeshwara.
Na vismarasi susnigdam.
Na vismarasi susnigdham.
Upakaram kritam shubham.
Upakaram kritam shubham.
Raghavena tu virena.
Raghavena tu virena.
Bhayamutsrujya durataha.
Bhayamutsrujya durataha.
Priyartam hato vali.
Tvatpriyartham hato vali.
Shakratulya parakramaha.
Shakratulya parakramaha.
Sarvada pranayat kruddho.
Sarvatha pranayat kruddho.
Raghavo natra samshayah.
Raghavo natra samshayah.
Brataram samprahitavan.
Bhrataram samprahitavan.
Lakshmanam lakshmivardhanam.
Lakshmanam lakshmivardhanam.
Tvam pramatto na janishe.
Tvam pramatto na janishe.
Kalam kalavidambara.
Kalam kalavidambara.
पुल्लसप्तच्छदश्यामा
फुल्लसप्तच्छदश्यामा
प्रवृत्ता तु शरच्छुभा
प्रवृत्ता तु शरच्छुभा
निर्मलग्रहनक्षत्राः
निर्मलग्रहनक्षत्राः
द्यौः प्रणष्टबलाहकाः
द्यौः प्रणष्टबलाहकाः
it should be okay. प्रसन्नाश्च दिशः सर्वाः
प्रसन्नाश्च दिशः सर्वाः
सरितश्च सरांसि च
सरितश्च सरांसि च
Sugrivena eva mukte tu, as even this way he's being addressed. See, Hanumanji, he's one of the prominent ministers there, but he has not spoken so far. He's always a little careful about what he says. Not that he's lazy or anything. He observes more than speaking. He observed what has been going on as a conversation between Prabhava and Plaksha and Sugriva. And so, Haripungavaha Hanuman Svena Tarkena Vanara Mantrinam Madhye Uvacha. Among the ministers, he started to speak by his own understanding of the situation, but he standpoint, Svena Tarkena. Because he was the one who brought both of them together. Between Rama and Sugriva, the agreement was started because of Hanuman only. So he feels more responsible to clarify the situation. Tvam he Hariganeshwara Sarvada na etad ascharya. It is not a great ascharya, a wonder, that na vismarasi, that you are not forgetting. You are a noble person, that you are not forgetting the help that you regained. Susnigdha upakaram krutam shubham. Shubham krutam, very well. That auspicious thing that you have got, useful thing that you have got, and it is rendered to you with great love. Susnigdha upakaram. Susnigdham upakaram. Lovingly rendered by Raghavena, Virena, by the valorous Rama. And he, the one, he removed the fear in your life. Vayam utsrijya durataha tvat priyartam hato vali. For your sake, according to your wish, he killed Vali. But you, Vali, who is Shakratulya Parakrama, he is equal to that of Indra. That kind of a powerful Vali has been killed with great power by Rama, out of love for you, and lovingly done, made you come out of the insecurity. And Kruddaha Raghava. Now Rama is angry. Natra samshaya. Sarvada Pranayat, who is always very loving to you, that very Rama is now angry. And so the anger that is being expressed by Rama is not some enmity towards you, but out of affection. See, sometimes the mother also gets very angry with the children, not out of any kind of enmity or anything, out of affection. He's not doing what he's supposed to do, or he's not listening to me, which is good to him. So that kind of affection. Similarly, Rama is not angry because you are saying that what wrong I did, what wrong I spoke. You didn't speak anything wrong. What wrong you didn't do. but what you are supposed to do, you didn't do. If the child is not doing the homework, the mother is unhappy or father is unhappy, he's not doing anything wrong, but he is not doing what is right. So, pranayat kruddha ragavaha natra samshaya. Therefore, he sent Brataram Samprahitavan. Samprahita means sent as a messenger. Samprahitavan Lakshmanam Brataram Samhitavan Lakshmi Vardhanam Lakshmanam Samprahitavan. He sent Lakshmana as a messenger. See, you have faltered. You please understand. Jani say, you don't know that you have faltered. Tvam pramatto na jani she kalam kalavitambara. You are a person who knows exactly what is to be done, what time. Kalavitambara. Tvam na jani she kalam. You understand and I didn't understand. You have faltered in time. Look at the flowers there in that Saptachada tree. It's all turned green. Pulla Saptachada Shama. Pravritta to Sharat Shubha. And also the Sharat, the season of fall season has already arrived here. Nirmala Graha Nakshatraha Dyauhu. You can see the sky is filled with clear with all the planets and stars shining there. Pranashta Valahakaha. All the various clouds are also no more. Dishaha Sarvaha Prasannascha. All these directions are now can be clearly seen because there is no more rain. Saritascha Saram Sicha. And also all the lakes and rivers are also now clean, crystal, not muddy because of the rainy waters. Rainwaters are over. Now clean water is now flowing. And now you understand now what you need to do. You forgot that. That is what it is. You didn't do anything wrong, but what is right you are not doing. Aganita Guna Gana Bhushana Rama Ashrita Vatsala Jaya Jaya Rama Ayodhyavasi Sita Rama Apad Bandhava Jaya Jaya Rama Dasharatha Nandana Sri Rama Dashamukha Mardana Jaya Jaya Rama Kausalya Sukhavardhana Rama Kamita Phalada Jaya Jaya Rama Papa Vimochana Sri Rama Pattabhirama Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Jivana Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Vanara Sevita Sri Rama Varidhi Vandana Jaya Jaya Rama Hanumat Pujita Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Raghupati Raghava Raja Rama Patita Pavana Sita Rama Sri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Siyavara Ramachandra ki jai Pavana Sutta Hanuman ki jai Umapati Mahadeva ki jai Bolo Bhai Sabasantan ki jai.